Hey everyone, this is Dan from the Digital Marketing Toolkit, and today we're going to go over how to increase website speed in WordPress. If your WordPress site is loading up slowly, it can hurt your sales. It can kill your SEO, and it can frustrate your visitors before they even see what you have to offer. The good news is that you don't need to be a tech wizard to fix it, and you can save a lot of money by not having to hire somebody to do this for you. By installing 2 plugins that I highly recommend and following some other tips that I give, it can make a huge difference in your WordPress site speed. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to check your site's current speed to establish a baseline. Open up a private tab and visit GTmetrix.com to plug in the URL that you want to check. So as you can see, we're starting off with a GTmetrix grade of B, a performance of 72%, and a structure speed of 97%, which is pretty good. Here's the first thing you need to get right: caching. We've been using WP Rocket for several years now, and I think it's hands down the easiest and the fastest way to speed up a WordPress website. Start by visiting WP Rocket through our affiliate link, bnfps.com/speed. They currently have 3 plans available: Single, Plus, and Multi. We use Plus for our 3 websites, but if you only have one website, just choose Single for now. Or if you're an agency and you want to start implementing WP Rocket as a solution for your clients, go for Multi. Okay, so now once you sign up under a plan, make sure you're under the My Account section and click on the orange button that says Download WP Rocket to download the latest version of their plugin. For this example, I'm going to install it on our hosting website, velocirep.com. Log into your dashboard, then go to Plugins, go to Add Plugin, then click on Upload Plugin, choose File, and select the file we just uploaded. Click on Install Now. Then click on Activate Plugin. After this, you don't really need to configure a lot of settings, as WP Rocket automatically enables caching, gzip compression, and lazy loading for images. But I'm going to show you how I manually set up a typical website that only has a few plugins installed. I say typical because some people bog down their websites with endless plugins, which can make it very difficult, if not impossible, for WP Rocket or any other speed plugin to help. In any case, you'll see a WP Rocket link in the WordPress admin bar. Hover your cursor over it, click on Settings, then click on File Optimization. Okay, so now we're going to go through each of these options under File Optimization one by one to ensure that it doesn't quote-unquote break your website. Start by checking the box of the first item if it's not checked already, Minify CSS files. Then scroll down to the end and click on Save Changes. Now visit the front end of your website. If you're on a Mac, press Command-Shift-and-R, or if you're on Windows, press Control-Shift-and-R to do a hard reload to clear your browser cache for that specific page and to force it to load the most recent version. So once you verify that the front end of your website is still working as it should, go back and enable the next item, which in this case would be Optimize CSS Delivery. Scroll down and click on Save Changes again. Now go back to your front end, do another hard refresh or reload, and make sure that your website is still working as it should. Now repeat these exact same steps for each item on this list, for Minify JavaScript, Load JavaScript Deferred, etc., until you reach the end. Obviously, if any of these items break your front end, go back and uncheck the last option that you enabled, save your changes, and move on to the next item. Once you finish, make sure to clear and preload cache. Also make sure to clear any used CSS, and lastly clear any priority elements. Now go back to GTmetrix and check your website once again. As you can see, now we have a GTmetrix grade of A, the performance is at 93 and the structure is at 99. Now, for the second plugin that we recommend, we're going to take an extra step beyond WP Rocket's built-in image optimization, as large image files can be one of your website's biggest speed killers. Like WP Rocket, we've been using ShortPixel for years now, and they are highly reliable. Visit them through our affiliate link, bnfps.com/images. Another good thing about ShortPixel is that they're very flexible, as they offer one-time payment plans and unlimited monthly plans if you feel that you'll need the extra monthly credits. Once you sign up for an account, the first thing you want to do is generate an API key. Go to the dashboard, click on API keys, generate a new one, and then copy it to your clipboard. Now go back to your WordPress website, go to Plugins, then go to Add Plugin. Under Search Plugins, enter ShortPixel. Click on Install Now, and click on Activate. Scroll down, look for ShortPixel, and click on Settings. Now paste in your newly generated API key, then go to Image Optimization Settings. For my sites, I always choose glossy, as I feel it's the best compromise between image quality and speed. For the rest of the settings, I have everything enabled, except for Remove EXIF. Under the AI ML training, I have it set to No AI Training, Allow SEO Indexing. And I have every other setting turned off. Click on Save and go to Bulk Process to process all of the images on your website. Now click on Start Optimization and let it run its course. As I mentioned earlier, if your website uses a ton of plugins, it can slow things down considerably. Make sure to go through each of your plugins one by one and remove anything that you're not actively using. Also consider switching to a lightweight theme. We typically use GTmetrix for most of our websites, as it's built for speed and is super customizable. If your theme is bloated, no amount of caching will ever fully fix your website speed. Make sure to visit bnfps.com/themes to see what GTmetrix has to offer. And finally, the elephant in the room, web hosting. If you're on a cheap budget shared hosting plan like the ones offered by Bluehost or HostGator, you're going to feel it in your load times, especially as traffic to your website starts to ramp up. I always compare shared hosting to living in an apartment complex where you have to share resources. And if one of your quote-unquote hosting neighbors on the server gets hacked or is a resource hog, your website and its visitors will be on the losing end. I always tell my clients that when it comes to web hosting, they truly get what they pay for. We always recommend to our clients that they get a virtual private server, as it gives them their own secure virtual hosting space and reliable website uptimes. If you're interested, we're currently offering half off for the first month on all of our VPS plans. So make sure to visit velocirep.com and use the discount code YouTube. Now, if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed by all of this, remember, you don't need to do everything all at once. Take it one step at a time and you'll see that making one or more of these changes will result in a faster loading website, which will provide your visitors with a good page experience. And as you know, Google is big on providing good page experiences. So now that you know how to increase the speed on your WordPress website, what problems is your site currently facing? Is it a bloated theme? Is it large images? Is it plugins, hosting? Is it everything? Let me know in the comments. And please remember to visit the tools I recommended using our affiliate links, as they help out the channel and it comes at no additional cost to you. If you're interested in upgrading your hosting, remember, visit our web hosting service, velocirep.com, and use coupon code YouTube for half off your first month. And lastly, if you don't feel comfortable implementing all this on your own, or you simply don't have the time, we offer an affordable speed optimization package. Message us through our contact form at bnfps.com/contact. Thank you all for watching the Digital Marketing Toolkit. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.